Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're going to get into downtown driving and the rules of the right of way. So I've turned on my blinker. I'm making a right turn. There's a lot of heavy construction. So you as a beginning driver, you want to look where you're going. You want to aim high and look ahead. Typically, beginning drivers look to the right or look to the left. So it's really important that you look and center yourself. If we hug the right, you're going to hit parked cars. If you hug the left, you're going to sideswipe cars. I teach my students never to run lights. Lights slow down. I didn't say slam the brake, but also you see a lane blocker. They're blocking the intersection. So this is one thing you don't want to do. This driver in the red vehicle is selfish because they're blocking the intersection. So you just want to sit and be patient. Don't block the intersection. It prohibits the flow, and now we have a traffic jam. So there's a person popping out between cars. It's hard to see them. There's another car making us, so this is a potential accident. So I'm looking left, looking right. I'm taking my time, being a defensive driver. So we're gonna go ahead and make some turns, and then I'm gonna get into the rules of the right of way. I'm gonna make a left-hand turn up here. My blinker's on, about 3 blinks. I'm looking left, right, and left. I'm scanning the intersection left, right, and left. And then I'm gonna turn gently, hand over hand. You wanna look where the car is going. So I'm coming up to a stop sign. This is a semi-controlled intersection, which means only 2 of the 4 roads have to stop. We are one of the roads. And if you're looking at the sign, it says stop, then it says cross traffic does not stop. So I turn on my blinker, I look left, I look right, I look left, I come up, and then I turn. I look to the left because that's where I want to go. And then I turn out, hand over hand. This is going to be a really short video, only 4.5 minutes long. So I turn on my left turn signal, rules of the right of way. The white car did not stop. You always want to stop. On your DMV test or road test, if you don't stop, that is complete failure. So I have a complete stop. I'm here first. Then I look left, I look right, I see the car, I'm here, and then I turn hand over hand. This is a really short, narrow turn, so I love bringing students here. I turn out, hand over hand. Let's go ahead and make a left turn. They are some of the most challenging turns, so you want to yield and you want to stop. So again, the intersection will be blocked because people are selfish. Don't block the intersection. So the lady's going to look at me. You can't do anything until the intersection is still blocked. So I go up to 2/3 of the way up into the middle of the intersection. I'm waiting, and I'm gonna be patient. Once the white van goes by, I make my turn. I turn hand over hand into the turn, and once I'm out of the turn, I turn out, hand over hand. I'm gonna go ahead and make a left turn again. I see the big semi truck coming toward me. It's all about timing. I'm still safe, I'm looking. I'm gonna go ahead and make my turn. I turn hand over hand, and then I turn out, hand over hand. A lot of beginning drivers let the wheel slide or they'll lose control, so you don't want to do that. I'm turning on my left turn signal. Again, the rules of the right of way come together. We have to stop because we have a sign. We have a regulatory sign. Regulatory signs regulate what you can and cannot do. I look left, right, and left. I come up, and then I turn hand over hand into my turn. Timing is really important with the gas. I turn out, hand over hand. I see the pedestrians. I'm scanning. I see the truck coming. I'm scanning. I see the white car. I'm scanning. The first car here is the first car to leave. This red vehicle didn't stop. They kind of rolled it. I'm here together, so I'm waiting, and he's got the 4-way flashers on. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Now it's my turn. I come up, I look, I turn hand over hand into the turn, and they didn't stop because they rolled the stop sign. I looked at them, I turned back hand over hand. So the 4-way flashers on this guy's truck is kind of confusing to all of us. Plus this is a hazard, all this material could fall out. So I'm backing off the vehicle, again, taking my time. So let's review what you've learned. You turn hand over hand into the turn, you yield to the right, you take your time. I wanna say thank you. I'm a state certified instructor. I need you to subscribe to my channel, Driving with Myles, and I need you to give it a thumbs up and like. Thank you, God bless.